Have you ever felt lost? Unsure of where you're going? We all have. It's like wandering in a maze without a map. Frustrating, right? Having a clear focus is like having that map. It gives you direction. It helps you make choices that move you forward. Imagine your goal is your destination. You wouldn't just start driving. You'd first look at a map. You'd see the end point. Then you'd plan your route. This is reverse engineering. Start with the end in mind. Work backward. Break down the journey into smaller, manageable steps. Your day zero goal is your ultimate objective. What do you want to achieve? Be specific. Don't just say, I want to be successful. What does success look like to you? Is it starting a business? Writing a book? Running a marathon? Define it clearly. Write it down. Make it real. Now break down your day zero goal. Think of it as a journey with milestones. What smaller goals do you need to achieve along the way? If your goal is to run a marathon, your milestones might be run a 5K, then a 10K, then a half marathon. Each milestone is a stepping stone toward your final destination. Section 5. Aligning actions with goals. Every step counts. Every decision you make, every action you take should align with your day zero goal. Ask yourself, does this get me closer to my goal? If the answer is no, reconsider your action. Stay focused. Remember, even small steps taken consistently lead to big results. Section 6. Staying on track. The importance of regular review. It's easy to get sidetracked. Life happens. That's why regular review is crucial. Schedule time each week to review your progress. Are you on track? Do you need to adjust your milestones, your actions? This keeps you focused and accountable. Section 7. Overcoming obstacles. Turning challenges into opportunities. You will face obstacles. Expect them. Don't let them derail you. View challenges as opportunities for growth. Be flexible. Adapt. Remember your day zero goal. Use it as motivation to overcome any hurdle. Section 8. Celebrating milestones. Recognizing your progress. When you achieve a milestone, celebrate it. Acknowledge your hard work. Give yourself credit for staying focused and moving forward. These celebrations, big or small, keep you motivated and energized. Section 9. The power of focus. Achieving your dreams. Having a clear focus is powerful. Embark on the journey of a lifetime. Hit that follow button and dive into epic adventures with us. Experience unforgettable moments and join a vibrant community that thrives on fun and excitement. Why wait? Become part of the action today. It gives you direction, purpose, and motivation. By reverse engineering your success, you create a roadmap to your dreams. Remember to set your day zero goal, break down your journey, and align your actions. Stay focused, overcome obstacles, and celebrate your progress. You've got this.